welcome to another episode of That Sounds Holy. Not bad.
As altos.
Not bad.
Ay, ako lang pala yun.
And also, happy 1,006 followers. 1,007. And counting. Grabe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Hindi namin inakala. Akala ko 5 lang yung nakikinig. Tayong 3,
Si
nanay
Jed.
ko, tsaka si Jed. Akala ko yun lang.
Si Maria.
But thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate you guys for following, liking, and subscribing and rating us 5 stars. 5 stars only, nothing
Yes.
below. Thank you guys so much. So 1K followers.
1,007.
1,007 guys, yung 757 doon. Mga ano yun, dami accounts.
Botlat.
Bot lahat.
Also, welcome back, Ayo.
Yay! Welcome back to me. As you can see,
He has new hair.
I am back. New hair, true. Oo nga, no?
Same
Yeah.
kulit.
Hmm?
New artwork also.
Yeah.
Wow.
Please appreciate, guys.
Thank you for the artwork, Ayo.
It took me 7.5 minutes to create this. Guys, please appreciate. That sounds
Yeah.
holy. So, welcome.
That
Ah.
sounds holy.
Huh?
Yun yung tunog niya.
Gets ka? No.
That sounds holy.
Pasha, Disney Junior.
I think we
Diba?
should get coffee
Anyway, we
already.
need
Okay. Also, dahil super thank you lagi sa ating mga very, very generous sponsors.
Unnamed sponsor unless gusto nyo kayo mismo brands out there ang mag-sponsor.
Itago natin sa pangalang
Barn
Barn Creek. Or
Okay.
Smoothes.
Gusto ko na nakabe.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I can't think.
So, super duper thank you sa ating sponsor ng coffee today. Anonymous ba?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Every week naman natin siya sponsor.
Thank you, James.
Thank you, James, na nandito ngayon. Gusto mo mag-hi sa camera.
so much for
Hindi
the
daw.
coffee.
Ayaw niya daw
Imagine
mag-hi.
na lang.
And so dahil dyan, distribute na natin yan, guys. Ayan, ayan.
Kanino yung...
Ano yan?
Okay, this
Tagal!
one.
Woo! Ano yan?
Huwag kang magkakamay.
Sorry. Huwag may pakitang ano
Kaya
yan.
ako nga minove
Barns.
eh.
Huwag mo, huwag mo.
Isa-
Alam
Yours.
mo,
It's
alam na
yours.
nila yan.
Okay,
Kung
let's-
Hindi.
umiinom sila niyan,
the small
font pa lang. Sinadya ba to?
Ikaw ang order, ha? Ikaw
Ayaw
yung
nga pala.
order.
Akala ko kasi Tim Hortons. Sorry.
Oh, look. Welcome to the family. Ay, takpan.
Ay, sorry. Okay.
Huwag mo ipakita nga niyan. Huwag mo ipakita.
May isa pa dito.
Ano?
Kanino
Lard
yung,
Mick.
Kanino yung nag-iisang
May isa ba?
Gatas.
gatas na may konting kape.
Bakit mo shake? Kanina.
Kailangan mong bumalik.
Oo, babalik ka na naman. For context, etong yung tropa namin tong si Jed. Every time kami bumibili ng coffee sa
Kaisan?
card
Sa
brick.
card schmick.
Sa card brick. Tuwing bumibili kami ng kape doon, lahat kami iced long, black, kanyan,
Perfect,
espresso.
that's
Tapos laging may isang order ng, bakit may shake? Bakit may milkshake? Bakit may ganun? Yun, so si Jed, yun lagi yung
May,
order.
Asukal at gatas na may konting kape.
Yan. Ay, huwag nyo, pinapakita mo eh. Pakita mo na.
Oh, in fairness, ang sarap nito.
Paano ba uminom ng kape nang di ginagalaw?
This is the...
Thank you, James.
Thank you, James. Thank
This
you.
is the tropical...
Pan-tropical.
So, meron ba tayong pag-uusapan din? Magkakape lang. Actually, sobrang bagay yung kape ngayon dahil umuulan. So, ingat kayo guys wherever you are.
Iced
Umuulan.
Iced coffee to
Okay lang. Bakit?
I love it.
Na-try nyo na ba mag-ice cream on cold weather?
Oo. Wait, anyways,
It's
you were
good.
saying...
Or na-try nyo na ba maglugaw
Oh my
pag
gosh.
mainit?
Papagalitan tayo ni Jed. Hindi pa tayo nagsistart sa topic na.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, Jed. Sorry. So, welcome to another episode of... Okay, din naman yung... Ano.
You know, Ayo's just really happy to be
Yeah,
back.
that's true. Na-miss ko
Yeah.
sila, guys.
Yeah. What would he be without us?
Ba, ang ingay mo uminom.
ASMR.
Yuck.
Titong-tito,
Okay, go.
Hindi lahat ng tito mo
Okay.
ganun uminom ng kape.
Timer starts
Oo,
now.
Pati tatay ko.
Okay, so, a few weeks ago, days ago, moments ago,
Days.
we asked you guys online some questions that you guys, or some topics that you guys want us to discuss. And dahil doon, wala kaming susundin. De, joke lang. No, we received a lot of really good topics. Very, very interesting ones. But this one, ito talagang close to home.
Yes.
Close to our hearts. Literally, because the three of us here have backgrounds in
Studying.
education. The three of us have backgrounds in education. Well, literal na lahat kasi parehas nga kami naging estudyante.
Nag-aaral
But
tayo eh.
there was a point in our lives wherein we taught either in a school, in an academic institution, or we would use our gifts to teach the next generation. But this is such a very interesting topic, inquiry, question, comment, suggestion, given to us by, sasabihin ba kung sino?
Hi, Kuya Rai.
Hi, Kuya Rai.
Thank you, Kuya Rai. The question is so good, by the way.
Yeah, sobrang ganda. Here is the question. Lessons that stayed. Since it's school season already, throw back to your school days, how it shaped you. Faith, friendships, etc. Then full circle to now you're inspiring and guiding the next generation through your work, ministry, and mission. ... In a nutshell, lessons that stayed. So sige, speedrun muna. Like at the top of your head. Ano yung number one lesson that remained? Something you'll learn in school, whether it be inside the classroom or outside. What's one lesson that stayed, that you still either apply or hindi makakalimutan? 3, 2, 1, go. Hindi ko alam paano i-apply yun eh.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria na apply. Ay. Photosynthesis.
Ano
nga?
to leave Jesus in our hearts.
Eh,
Amen.
atinista yan.
Amen.
For our Lasallian brothers and sisters.
I forgot to wear my school shirt.
Ganun. Basta ako protecting the earth best friends.
Di nga nga.
Ay, sorry. Okay.
Lesson
sige.
that stayed. Sige,
Ikaw, meron
let's
ka na
make
ba?
it 2. One academic lesson that you learned, that you applied, that you continue to use up to this day, and one that you maybe learned through other experiences in school. Game, isa ikaw.
Academically, siguro dahil music nga yung favorite subject ko. Ang
Mhm.
naalala ko ay Asian music. Dahil ako yung meron kaming student-teacher day. Tapos yung students yung magtuturo sa mga kaklase nila. So ako yung student teacher ng music.
Okay.
So lahat ng classes ng music teacher ko, pinuntahan ko. Tapos nagturo ako ng Asian music.
Ano yung Asian music?
As in yung mga
Mga
Indonesian,
gong, ganun, oo.
mga polyrhythm, mga ginorn, mga
Ano yung
scales
differences
ng
ng mga
iba-iba.
gong, ganun.
Hindi, ewan ko bakit fixated ka sa gong. Pero
Eh,
sige.
kasi naalala ko may lesson kami ganun. Iba-ibang klaseng gong.
Ang mga instruments ng iba-ibang Asian countries. Mga
Okay.
ganun. But anyway, values-wise, feeling ko, the line that we always say in high school, charity of Christ urges us.
Wow.
Ano?
The
Sorry.
Caritas Christi urget nos.
Nice.
Caritas. The charity of Christ.
Ganda.
Urges us. Urge us. Urge. Caritas Christi. Basta yun.
Okay lang ba tayo?
Ikaw, Bam.
Wala akong academic list.
Wala akong academics period. Di ano.
Lagi kasi siyang excuse.
Palagi akong so, dyan ako pupunta.
Oo nga, no. As a
Kasi-
tennis player. Na ngayon pickleballista.
Oh, no. All sports are good. Anyway, no sport is less than.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, now that we got that out of the way, I think dun talaga ako pupunta kasi wala akong masyadong naalala with like the lessons. Kasi yun nga, palagi akong excused.
Okay.
Kasi it's either there's like a student council thing
Yeah.
or like a singing thing. So
Right.
parang I guess that's actually one of the things that I'm appreciating now na when I see other friends try to, so they have work, right? And they start to venture into other parang hobbies.
Right.
Ngayon lang parang sink in sa akin na ay hindi pala normal sa lahat ng tao na
Oo.
na maraming nangyayari all at once.
Yeah, yeah.
So, apart from my ADHD, I think it's
Well,
it's just also that because at a younger age when I was in school, sanay ako na okay may school, tapos there's also like three
Yeah,
other things happening on the side. So I mean I have a lot of I have a lot to learn when it comes to time management, and I've been trying really hard to be better at it. Kasi syempre, diba, in every season, iba-iba din naman yung demands. Pero ayun, parang yung time, yung siguro pag-juggle lang ng different activities. Na, kasi sa buhay din naman,
dami nangyayari.
oo, hindi lang naman pwedeng parang, okay,
Isang aspeto
I
lang,
work
no?
and then
Oo.
go at home, do
Yeah.
chores, and then
Yeah.
exercise, and then I'm done.
Right.
If you want to live like a fulfilled life, kailangan talaga balance eh.
Yeah,
Parang
Agree.
ganun.
agree.
So, yeah, I think that's what I learned.
Ganda.
Right. How
That's
about you?
nice. Ako,
Patulog ka na dyan na naman.
sorry. Siguro, shout out to my alma mater.
Alam matter.
Alam matter.
Dami kong natutunan sa aking alma mater.
Hail, hail,
Alma
alma mater.
And that's not the song.
Nakakaming ganyan.
That's not your song.
That's not our song.
That's your song when you anyway,
That's
what
true.
did you learn from your alma mater?
Well, growing up, siguro, I guess, backtrack na konti. Pag tinanong yung ganitong klaseng questions about school, parang automatic ang pumapasok sa'yo is high school or grade school, no?
Yeah.
Hindi siya college.
Hindi college. Oh,
Diba?
ano?
Kayo. May pusa. Wait, kayo ba? Ano kayo? Or, ano yun?
Sorry, going back.
Or,
Going back. I don't because I don't like them. So I don't
okay,
call
okay.
them.
Diba? Mas high school or grade school, no?
High school, oh.
Parang ganun. Anyways, academically, aminado akong wala kasi medyo let's leave it at the past. Medyo sa academics I was not
Performer.
I was not the brightest boy. Although yung school naman namin mataas yung standard. So feeling ko naman kahit hindi ako brightest boy ng batch namin. Okay na yan. Yun. Yung pusa lumalabas. Anyways, it was more of the rules that we had to have in school that I brought up to this day.
Talaga?
Yeah. Well, kasi Catholic school kami. So, you know how Catholic schools would have very rigid rules.
Yeah.
From haircut to how you tuck your shirt in, how you...
That's true.
Yeah.
How to... Like, if you don't bring if you miss wearing your ID 3 times, may sanction ka na
Yeah.
sa amin.
Yeah, same naman.
Ganon. Pag lumagpas yung bangs mo sa eyebrows, may sanction na sa amin agad yun.
Yeah.
Yung jog? Yung you write a lot yung ulit-ulit.
Yes.
Yung intro ni Bart Simpson sa Simpsons. Yung ulit-ulit sa
No, I
Blackboard.
don't have childhood, so I don't get it.
I didn't.
Takot ka nga pala sa Simpsons.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why would you reveal that?
You said that in one of our episodes.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, takot ako sa
Ata.
Simpsons.
But anyways, so me bringing those rules, I didn't understand them at first. I guess no 12, 13-year-old would actually really do like, why do we have to always do these? But then growing up, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Because this not just shapes your discipline, but also your identity as a person and your character. Nahuli ko sarili ko. I remember, actually it was just a few weeks ago. I remembered, kinakapkap ko yung pants ko. Kasi walang rosary sa...
Oh my gosh, may ganun din pa kayo?
Oo! May
Kami
inspection
din.
kami na dapat may white plain handkerchief ka on the left and then
Ah.
rosary on the right.
Same. Those are like surprise inspections, by the way. Well, for us.
Oo. So, ay nahuli ko sarili ko na, kinakapkap ko yung pants ko. I was looking for my wallet and then nag-flashback na I would do that to look for my handkerchief
Tsaka
and rosary.
Rosary.
So I realized na, that's interesting na the stuff that in school was a rule, now it translated into, that's where bringing
Yeah.
cleanliness with the handkerchief and our faith with the rosary. So
Wait,
that was...
like, out of curiosity, sige, ano yung mga ganyan nung high school
Sige.
na memorable sa inyo?
Na ganung rules na di nyo gets kung anong meron.
Oo, or like, kahit yung mga tumatak lang.
Di ko gets bakit bawal yung... Well, sa handkerchief namin dapat plain. Di ko gets bakit bawal yung mga Armando Caruso na mga linya-linya. Kailangan... Sorry, sige, laglag ko na. Kailangan plain white na may blue na eagle. So obvious bang lasal ako nung high school. So, basta yun, it had to have the blue eagle. And kailangan yung rosary namin blue.
Oh my gosh.
Para Mama Mary talaga.
So, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yep.
Ako, ang pinaka naalala ko, dahil ingay talaga uminom nito.
Sorry.
Ang pinaka, ano yun,
Ayaw
yung
nga,
three traits, characters? Basta. Warm, simple, and active.
Hindi naman tayo mag-classmates.
Ano yan?
Yun yung characteristics ng Polinian.
That is
Warm,
so
simple,
nice.
active. Yeah. So
Warm, simple, active?
So yung
Galing.
simplicity na yun, everything has to be black and white. Pag may pantali kami ng buhok, kailangan black lang.
What?
Hindi siya pwedeng may kulay. Bawal ang clip na may kulay. Socks have to be plain white.
Whoa!
PE rubber shoes have to be white.
PE rubber shoes?
Yeah, bawal
All white?
Majority of your
Bawal
shoes.
pink.
Kung mag-rubber shoes ka, mostly white na may accents ng ibang kulay.
Okay.
Okay.
Ganon.
Gets naman.
Okay.
So everything had to be black and white. That was the
Right.
simplicity aspect of it.
Right.
Tapos yung sa uniform namin, dahil malaking part yung modesty,
Hmm.
our skirts had to be 2 inches below,
Below
the
the
knee.
Mm-hmm.
And then kasama sa inspection yung sando sa loob ng uniform.
Kam-
Saka yung short sa loob ng
Kami
skirt.
hindi ko na-gets din yan. Bakit kailangan white shirt yung panloob? Hindi sando. Hindi ko, like,
Imagine mo
under-
pag black. Pangit.
hindi. Beige, no? Or something.
Tinuturuan din kayo ng fashions.
Hindi. Hindi ko gets bakit kailangan shirt. Kasi for yung iba, sando para mas presko. Di ko gets bakit kailangan shirt. Walang aircon sa... Sorry, hindi ko kayo sinisiraan. I love my high school, grade school. But hindi ko gets bakit kailangan. But I guess it was part of discipline and all that.
Tapos kung sa inyo, bawal lumagpas yung hair sa eyebrows. Sa amin, bawal umikli above the shoulder.
Oh!
Dahil all girls kami.
So bawal bob cuts?
Pwede naman, pero bawal ang pixie cut, bawal ang ano.
Whoa.
As in, yeah.
That's so cool.
Now that I'm listening to it, it seems like as an old, parang
An
older,
old person.
I
As an
try
old.
not to say it.
As an old din lang.
Parang if you're like teacher or someone in the level of
Second
authority,
level.
parang I think now looking back at it, it's I guess to stop comparison.
Yeah.
Parang to mitigate. Wow.
Wow,
to
spell.
mitigate. to minimize occasions of them comparing. So
Possible.
no,
Oh,
kasi
yeah.
you know, as kids, we're like,
Yeah.
oh, mas mahaba yung hair niya, mga ganon. Or like,
Paano
oh,
ba?
pink yung socks niya, neon pink. Parang ganon. So
Okay,
if you're
yeah.
a kid, you know,
That's
those are
possible.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
But one major thing also that I feel like stuck with me is talaga, chastity and modesty. Like with all of that, all
Yeah,
of those
yeah.
rules. Kasi kahit nung prom namin, yung directress namin, umiikot siya sa dance floor. Tapos, tinitingnan niya lahat na sumasayaw.
Totoo ba?
Oo nga.
gosh,
Tapos
wow.
mayroong famous line yung director. I love our directress. I love her so much. Pag morning rides namin, may flip phone siya na, pretend I'm not here. Tapos pipicturean niya kami ganun. But anyway, nung
Ang cute.
prom namin, may famous line siya na tumatak sa lahat ng batches na.
Ano yan?
Sumisigaw siya sa dance floor ng, leave room for the Holy Spirit.
Cute.
Nitingnan niya talaga kung masyado kayo malapit sa partner niya.
Leave room for the Holy Spirit.
Ang cute naman nun.
That's so cute.
Bad memories ako sa prom. Anyways.
Oh,
Ako din.
Ako din.
Oh!
So let's talk about prom.
Yung pala yun.
memories.
What if that sounds holy prom?
Oh, that's so cute.
Curious yun yung date ni Vanya.
I was gonna say, I was
Stag.
like, maybe I can...
Tatlo na nga lang tayo stag ba?
Oh, may option naman ako dati to stag, pero ano.
Mag-trio dance na tayo yung Jabawakis. Mga ganun. I'm holding on your rope.
But I think also, sa mga ganun nga yung minimension, kasi same din naman sa amin na kailangan white, ganyan,
Yeah.
tapos 2 inches below the knee,
Yeah.
tapos kailangan you should maintain like your clothes are clean and all those things. I think also it was their way of like teaching us the basics.
Yeah.
Na this is
Discipline.
basic
Oo.
discipline and parang minsan nga like Ayo also minsan naisip ko na parang I go back to those I go back to those habits still now
Yeah, same.
unconsciously
Mm.
na parang actually that made so much sense. Na I'm
Right.
so glad it was a habit that was built early on.
Mm-mm. Meron pa pala sa amin yung necktie. Kailangan 2 fingers yung kasha dun sa gap ng collar
Yeah.
tsaka necktie. Oo.
That's so cool.
And I guess it had to be that specific because you were kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kami meron pa bawal black. Bawal blue ball pen. Black lang.
Mga ganun.
Ganun levels. I guess, sobrang totoo. Oh my gosh, this is such a I'm old moment. Sobrang totoo nung sinasabihan tayo na when we were younger na, no, you'll appreciate that why. You'll appreciate or understand why when you get older.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Kasi
true.
nung time na yon, like,
Hindi ko rin
Bruh.
gets eh. Oo.
I want to have different shoes. Ganyan
Ah.
din kami. All black dapat eh.
Ah.
Or I want to have different, sa shorts gusto ko ibang length. You want it to be different. But I guess, well, this day and age kasi different is okay now. Now that
Yeah.
we work in a school, the rules are changing now from haircut
Really?
rules. Yeah, you can't,
Even
na.
in St. Paul, pakulayan na sila ng ano.
Ngayon,
Oh my gosh. Sobrang random. Share ko lang. Kasi 'di ba bawal din magkulay ng hair pag high school
Yeah.
ganyan. Ako kasi medyo rebel without a cause.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I wanted to look pretty for prom.
Mm.
But so I was like, I went to the salon and I was like, siguro I can color just a little bit lighter. Parang hindi nila mapapansin. Ganyan. Oh my gosh, girl. I got the wrong color.
neon pink. Ganun.
So, doon pala nagsimula lahat.
Oh,
Origin story.
yun pala yun.
Color na hair again.
Yun pala yun.
No, tapos I did that on a Sunday.
Okay.
And Sunday night, I was like, oh my gosh, sobrang
Masyadong-
tingkad ng kulay. And the next day, Monday, flag ceremony. I was like, so I was trying to like keep it low key. I mean, that's not hard for me because I'm small. So I was like, very low key. And then everybody was
Low-key
like,
lang.
oh, what did you do with your hair? So I'm like,
Oh, no.
oh,
Nahuli ka?
huh?
Nahuli ka?
Yeah. Pero wala naman silang sinabi. But the
Okay.
next day, I was like, I was telling my mom, can I color it black again?
Okay.
Yay. Anyway, random story. Moving on.
So, yan. Quick, pag sinabi mo ba ang low-key, sa'yo, key na lang.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Next.
All right.
Question.
So, now that, we all these lessons, reminiscing the past and how it shaped us, how do you bring that now into the context of what we do in terms of shaping the next generation or inspiring? Has it or does it up until now in a way shape your way of shaping the next generation?
For me, siguro parang hindsight talaga siya lahat ng natutunan natin. Parang ngayon, na-realize ko rin na studying in an all-girls Catholic school na very Catholic.
Yeah.
Parang nung time na yun, or I realized late that I took it for granted. Na may First Friday Mass kami, may monthly class mass kami na yung class mo yung magsasponsor, ganyan.
Same.
May,
Galing.
ano pa ba? We had to memorize 1 Corinthians, fill in the blank sa test paper. Love is blank. Love is blank.
I
Ganyan.
assume your sections, kailangan yung ma-memorize yung mga saints, ganyan.
Yeah,
May ganyan din.
yeah. Life of the Saints, Life of
Yeah,
the Founders,
exactly.
ganyan. Bilang Bibo kid din, I was spiritual chairman. So ako yung in charge ng class mass, ako yung in charge sa...
Spiritual share. Baby
As in-
ka pa lang, pastoral ka na.
Oo, sis talaga. As in,
Mr.
ngayon,
Chair.
as in ngayong adult ako, tsaka ko lang na-realize na parang, okay, kaya pala. Kasi as in, ganun talaga yung ginagawa ko na ako yung nag-aasikaso ng mass, ako yung making sure that everyone was prepared for whatever spiritual activity we had.
Galing.
Hanggang sa nung nag-high school ako, at one point,
gosh.
naging batch spiritual chairman ako, ganyan.
What?
Nag-asikaso ako ng, oo, ganun. Tapos,
Mr. Chair.
parang late ko siya na-realize na, okay, so that was like preparation for what we do now.
I was gonna
Na-
say.
Oo, kasi even then, kasi nag-choir din ako sa St. Paul, di ba? Parang competing choir kami. So kami din yung nagko-choir sa mass.
Galing.
Kami din yung nagtuturo ng mass song sa batch. Ganun. So parang everything that I did in high school, ngayon ko na-realize na, parang okay, so that was preparation for this. So now that I get to journey with people who either are like younger than me or parang who want to get into the community life or the faith life, meron akong context nung high school days ko. Na nung time na yun, hindi ko pa gets kung bakit namin ginagawa to. Nung time na yun, hindi ko pa na-appreciate to. Ganyan.
Yeah.
So parang I try to make them see that now
Right.
because I have the perspective of both.
Yeah.
Yung dati na hindi ko pa gets, tsaka ngayon na parang, kaya pala. Parang gano'n.
Yeah. And the need for them to see why it's important.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's so much wisdom in what our parents would tell us before. Well, I guess when we were younger, it felt like it's nagging.
Yeah.
Because your
Oo.
parents would tell you, kailangan mo yan,
Exactly.
ganyan. Come on. Yeah. Or your advisor telling you, wala ka na namang suot na
Totoo.
ganito. Or, yeah, come on. But in reality, when you grow older,
Yeah.
yung kasimple as ID,
Oo.
hindi ko malimutan yung dad ko would always say, kailangan mo yan, pagtanda mo, kailangan ID. Parang,
Mhm.
ako kasi, sorry, rebel without a cause din. Parang, ayaw na nag-ID. Ang cool kasi ng uniform namin, blue, khaki. So parang, kore mo may ID.
Grabe, ako lang yung naiiba. Takot ako magkamali dati talaga.
Oh.
As in, ayokong nag-break ng rules. Ganun.
Ah.
So, kailangan lagi. Checklist, ganun.
Because it's so easy for you to follow and perfect the rules. Kami kasi ata nahirapan kami.
Baka
So,
nga
rebelde
ganun.
na lang.
We are the rules. Ganun.
Oh my God.
We can't abide by the rules because we feel we can't, so let's just fight it.
But yeah, I think I get that. Na parang yung everything that we had to learn
It's
then
preparation.
na hindi natin gets noon.
Yeah.
Parang they knew, like the parents or advisors, they knew
Yeah.
na eventually you're gonna use that. You're gonna need that.
Mhm.
Ikaw, Bam.
I think as matigas yung ulo.
Until now.
Tapos,
Na hindi na
ano,
na-outgrow.
oo, as pauso, ganun. Parang ngayon ko na-realize na yung gift of just people telling you what might be best for you even if yung result nun ay aawayin ko sila or yung ganon.
Yeah.
Yung people who would risk their good image
Right.
to do for me what is good even if I don't understand.
That's so
And-
interesting.
Yeah.
What a perspective.
Yeah, kasi yun nga, especially ngayon, now that we're also leading people,
Yeah.
and in the culture now na parang magkamali ka lang, canceled ka na, or parang ganon. So I was at mass today also. I was like, parang I was convicted of that na ako as a mentor of some sort. I'd rather, parang now, I realize na instead of doing something proactively, mas passive na ako kasi I might make a mistake and they might hate me or, you know, in our quickly very cancel
culture.
culture. But I think the thing that my mentors before in school, the village I had in school before, the thing that they did very well was to be very proactive in shaping me and doing what was good for me even if I didn't understand.
Right.
So parang naintindihan nila, bata. Parang even if this person will possibly hate me or dislike me for a moment,
Yeah.
my love for this person or my responsibility for this person is bigger than kung ano yung i-react niya sa akin.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate, and also sorry sa mga mentors ko na yun. Na parang na-experience yung
yung rebel stage.
yung rebel.
no?
side ko. Now that I think of it, it takes so much love
Yeah.
and respect also for what they do, that they were still able to do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just wanted to add with what you said about mentors. Isa pa yun sa mga feeling ko nadala ko with how we
Minister.
minister to other
Yeah.
people now. That my mentors or my teachers back then trusted me with so much, or like they supported me and
you.
empowered me.
Yeah.
Because same with you, bibukid din ako no high school. As in, 5 stuff all at the same time. Parang, as in, may isang point na varsity ako ng taekwondo, nasa competing choral ako ng school, tapos nagtateatro ako. Tapos,
How many hours did you have in a
tapos
day?
homeroom chairman ako. So, as in,
Oh, nag-flex.
sobrang,
De, joke lang. Go lang.
anyway, Vanya.
Okay, isa.
Sige, tutulog ko na ako dito.
So, nung time na yun, parang ang dami kong ginagawa na parang looking back, parang, bibo, nung ginagawa nito. But then that also encouraged me to explore. And parang,
Nice.
okay, you can try to do this, try to do that, or parang do your best in this area, blah, blah, blah. Tapos support lang yung nakukuha ko from them na parang sige, go, turuan kita, pero try mo muna, parang ganon. So, like, I was able to explore a lot. Kasi naalala ko noon, may usapan tayo before na parang, pag tinatanong ako na bakit alam mo agad yung gusto mo, na, kasi parang, at an early age, I knew I wanted to go through music.
Yeah.
Kasi feeling ko maaga akong pinag-explore ng mga tao.
Right.
So I've tried everything that I wanted to try until I got to that. Na, okay, ito yung gusto kong gawin. So parang ngayon, pag may mga bata na, or kahit nga hindi bata pag may mga tao na magtatanong na, okay, I wanna do this, I wanna do that, I wanna do this, hindi ako yung tipong, wag na lang, di ka naman magaling dyan. Alam mo yan? Or yung parang, hindi ako ganon. Or,
nice.
parang my
Gusto ko
first
din yan.
train of thought would always go with, sige, try mo. Try mo muna.
That's
Parang
nice.
Yun. So, yeah.
Empowering them too.
So,
Ay, bakit? Ay, sorry. Akala ko talaga mahabi ka legit.
yeah. Kasi, while she was talking also, I realized na one of the things that yun nga, yung maraming activities.
Yeah.
Parang very relevant din siya in my ministry season now. Kasi for a time, I made ministry my everything.
Right.
And that made me very, like, kasi nga, di ba, as people who are very passionate about what they do, we're like all in. But I forgot that, like, oh, yeah, I should have, like, a life outside of this. So that the way that I give to community and ministry is also more out of overflow. And also out of, like, joy from the life that overall life that I'm living. Yeah, so, yun lang.
Right. Nice. Ako simple lang. Just thinking about high school life now or grade school. Well, school life in general. And if you asked me the question, what do you remember the most? Or who do you remember? Bigla nag-flashback sa akin lahat ng mga... Because I mentioned I wasn't the kindest, the
brightest.
The brightest in some subjects lang naman.
But that came
I
from
wasn't,
you, by the way.
Yeah, yeah. I wasn't.
I'm not labeling
I
you.
wasn't the. I wasn't the poster boy of. Alam mo yun, I was the. You could call the opposite. I was missing class.
You were finding yourself.
Yeah, I experienced all what a high school kid shouldn't be. Well, I've shared this naman in public already, the talks and all that. But what I remember the most were the teachers who gave me so much grace.
Oh.
Yeah.
In sometimes letting me slide na, sige na, you're fine. Or teachers who helped me understand why I had to be a certain way,
Yeah.
act a certain way. And just extending the grace. And then now, for some reason, the cases, the people, the relationships, the type of people and in their seasons that are getting into me now are those who are in need of extended grace.
I was gonna say,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
parang,
Ang ganda.
I had to go through that in high school. and receive that grace so that now I can understand why
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
oh, you left your ID now, it's fine. Then let's talk about
Yeah.
it. What happened?
That's
Nandun
nice.
ako sa it just dawned on to me na I'm just so grateful na that's what I received so much of in school, the grace and the understanding. That's why now when I listen to these people or in work, in ministry, in people in general, I now have this extra ear
Kaya
that has so
pala.
much grace. Nandito sa noo. Alam mo yun, there's so much more patience and understanding. Na parang, sige. But alam mo yun, it's
Yeah,
just,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
that. The way that I'm called to, I guess, inspire is to understand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
And even when I tell my story, ang nag-resonate, syempre, may, not the star students na Bibo Kids na spiritual coordinator ng whatever. Di ba? Hindi yun eh.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
those who sat at the back of the classrooms,
Right.
who,
Are doing their best, but
Yeah,
you know,
or they regret not doing that in high school, and then now they're
Yeah.
seeing what's happening. And I get to talk to them now and listen to their stories and the
That's
grace to
nice.
say na I've been there. I've
Yeah.
understood that. And sige, let's talk about it.
Yeah.
Been there, done that.
I feel
So,
like
yun.
for the people who are gonna be on the receiving end of the grace that you're gonna be extending to them, if they know that parang God already worked out, parang God already prepared a person
Yeah.
and with an entire journey just to be there
Grabe.
for them to extend that exact grace
Yeah.
when they come. Sobrang nakakaiyak yun ah.
Yeah.
Pag ano,
Oo.
so that says so much about like how God has allowance for mistakes,
Oh,
for who
ganda.
you exactly are.
Mm.
And alam mo yun?
Yeah, yeah.
So parang hindi lang yun na naisip lang ni Lord na bigyan ka ng grasya sa pagkakataong yun. No, like from
it's gonna, yeah.
you went through that entire thing
Wow.
And it-
just so yun.
And
Yeah.
it shows how much of a planner God is.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine, like, Him knowing that these are the teachers that Ayo needs. These are the teachers that
Oh,
Vanya needs.
yeah.
Because this person is being shaped to
Be
be
this in the future.
kuya ni ganito.
Oo,
Diba?
totoo.
Ang
Yung ganun. Sobrang
Totoo.
galing.
Nakakuyok.
Nakakayak naman yun.
Oh.
So,
Yeah.
ang galing. The Lord
Yeah.
knew that someday, that moment, 2009, when you heard that na from your teacher na, sige na, it's okay, let's it would be the same words that I would use to a
Yeah.
different kid now na,
Right.
sige na,
And
it's
I'm
okay.
sure
Ah!
I'm sure we can all name the teachers who made the difference.
I was about to say,
Yeah.
you want to do
Ready?
it? Let's do
One.
it. I would love to do that.
Sige, game.
Go, start.
Ay, ako. I would say I thank Miss Reyes a lot. Miss
Ba't ako
Reyes.
naiiyak? Oh.
Marami to Miss Reyes is my grade 1 music teacher
Wow.
who still remembers me to this day. Hinatid ko si Ellie sa St. Paul. Tapos sabi ko, "Hi, Miss Reyes. I was your student."
Bakit
Sabi niya,
Justin Bieber yun?
Tapos ang sagot niya sa akin, "I don't remember you, Alicia."
Oh,
She remembers me. But she was my grade 1 teacher who was also Ellie's grade 1 teacher. So she remembers me. She taught me the basics of music. I thank Mrs. Fetalvero, Mommy B, who was my chorale conductor for my entire high school life, who was so gracious and so forgiving and so very mother siya nung high school. And I entered high school chorale, second year high school, the year I lost my mom. So she was my mommy in school. And then I think Miss Alejandro, my Filipino, she was never my Filipino teacher, but she was the Filipino subject coordinator, team lead, parang ganun. She was the one who believed in me to join essay competitions, writing competitions for Filipino. And I thank all my Filipino teachers who forced me to write songs for Bonang Wika.
Galing naman nun.
Yeah.
Because they made me write songs and all that. I thank Sir Kenchi, who was the theater teacher, who trusted me enough to write a whole musical. All the songs for the musical that he was creating. And I wasn't even in the theater group.
Wow.
He just go write 12 songs, ganun.
Oh my gosh.
So that was the training ground for me to be able to do what I do now.
Wow.
And Mrs. Santos, my grade 3 CL teacher, who was very strict, but also allowed me to learn what I know about my faith now.
Wow.
Wow. I was just thinking, like, being a teacher is really like a miracle factory.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
You're
Well,
taking part in so much.
Sobrang underrated na job.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not a job. It's a mission. It's
It
a,
is. It's a mission.
It's a calling.
field. Yeah.
Oh, man.
So underrated. Ikaw, Bam? Any
I-
specific teacher?
So I would like to thank Miss Anna. I just like to start with her because up until now she buys like she supports me in a way. Now she I met with her last month, I think. She went here to Manila and then she bought tickets for my birthday gig. She said,
That's
"I'm
so
gonna buy
nice.
tickets, but I'm not gonna be able to be there. But I want to support you still." Miss Anna was the one who kept on inviting me to the choir until
Yeah.
I finally was there singing at the mass every day.
That's so nice.
And then Sir Nonilon, siya yung never ko siya naging teacher, but he would always like invite me in acting classes, theater, everything. And then he watched my first theater show
Mm.
when we did a run in Bacolod.
Wow.
Amazing. He would always be
Galing.
like, "I see it in you, Vanya. Just keep going." So I'm like, "Stop it. You don't even know me." But he knows me. Yeah. So I think those are like yung top 2 talaga for me. Yeah.
Okay. Ako, well, it's sadly, the ones who really made an impact in my life are already in heaven, no? So, Sir Jello Carion, oh my gosh. He was like a dad to us, Sir Jello, like a kuya. He was the first he was the first teacher na in the class, very professional. Lunch break, he would break bread with us. Every single lunch break. Eat with us, ganyan. Bawal ko kasi ito, pero even with chill with us after school.
I get
Yeah.
that though.
Chill with us after school. We kahit na bawal, we just remove our uniforms and stuff.
He
ganun.
knew what he was doing though.
He knew what he was doing.
Yeah.
He made us feel that we were being listened to by a grown up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Sir Jello, I know you're in heaven right now, watching over us. Mr. Salvador as well, who passed away a few years ago. When I was having troubles getting into Ateneo High School, he vouched for me. He was by then he was the coordinator or vice principal ng grade school, and he told the high school department that he vouched for me. That no, accept this kid. He's someone, yeah. And he remembers me every single time he sees me. And he will always say, "I'm proud of you." Even if I wasn't a poster boy.
Yeah.
And he would always tell me to continue singing. And singing and singing. He would always push me to sing in events. Even if I was a basketball guy. I love basketball. But he was
era mo pa yun.
sing.
Cute.
That Mr. Indrina, who's now in the US, if I'm not mistaken, he would always tell me, "You were born to lead."
Wow.
Wow.
He would always tell me that, and I was
That's
I was a naughty boy. I was
something.
great. I was in second year high school, and he would always push me to run for whatever, ganto ganyan, and
Yeah.
do that. You were born to lead, born to lead. I see something in you
Yeah.
that maybe you don't yet. I see something in
Oh
you. You're
my
born
gosh,
to
I
lead.
told you that
Yeah.
too.
Thank you, Mr. Adrina.
Ayo.
it is I. So thank you. But buhay pa siya actually. Well, but yeah, thank you, Sir Adrina. And Miss Maria Visconde Roldan, full name talaga, no? Who pushed me to sing. She was the advisor of Il Voce. It was a very young group.
Il voce.
Yeah, very young group, very young club before. But you would sing, and we sang for yan Sinatagle, ganyan. And
Amazing. We were all choir kids.
Yeah.
Yeah. She would push me to sing in school masses, ganyan. There was a time when I was so insecure because I was being compared to your friend, yeah. But she was the one who said, "No, keep on singing, keep on singing."
Yeah.
So yeah, there were a lot of other teachers who did the same, but those were the ones who stood out na.
Yeah.
Parang ang sarap sabihin sa kanila, "Hey, ma'am, sirs, thank you.
Because of you were here.
Thank you. I don't think
Thank you.
a small flex, but I don't think I am the guy that you saw when I was that age. So thank you. What you guys did for me then, how you believe in me, your heart, your grace. Now I get to extend. Wag na lang sa akin eh. Thank you for what you parted in my heart so that I can share that to the next generation.
I remember all the names of my
Oh yeah. Oh, then
teachers.
I could spend hours and hours just stating more.
I have one
names.
more. Bawi siya eh. I have one more. My college
Sige.
prof. That I'm sorry, sir. I don't remember anything that you taught me his subject. But I remember you because he would tell us stories, si Sir Dabo Pasco. And up to this day, every birthday of mine, he would send me a random song.
Oh my
And,
gosh,
like,
that's so
Our
cute.
very long greeting of how I bless people and how I bless him
Oh my
Galing.
every year.
goodness.
And he's also, I think, in the US now.
Hmm.
Oh.
Last na pala. Yung actual na principal namin in high school. And
Mm.
the president and principal na naging president, si Father RB, he's on. Never missed a birthday greeting me.
Mm.
Oh
And
my
then I
gosh.
just thought na he
so cute.
I just
Yeah.
thought na he just greets everyone. Apparently no. And he would say na keep on singing.
No,
And when I
that's nice.
when I ask him how he is, he would always ask, "How's the singing? Do you still sing for the Lord? Do you still sing for
Mm.
people?" Parang, you do remember.
You
Oh my
so
gosh.
Ang ganun.
Because of that. Sorry. Ang dami talaga. Pero mentors nung college, Sir Eugene, he's also in heaven. But
Mm.
he believed in me so much. We didn't know he was sick then. But at one point, he called me to the faculty room and he gave me his collection of CDs.
Oh my god, he gave you.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's at home. It's a collection of jazz and choral CDs.
Oh my gosh.
he
Give me the jazz
gave
ones.
me, and it has his name pa on it, Sir Eugene, former minstrels.
Kaya
Okay.
pala.
And also si Sir Bernardo, theater. Hindi ko siya naging prof, pero he believed in me so much that he wanted to write a musical with me and have me act in it. And then when we were about to do it, he passed away. Yeah.
But,
So people who really encourage us, no?
So
Yeah.
yeah. So thank you to all of you, our mentors, our teachers,
Yeah.
those who
Thank
shaped us. One way or another. Maybe we didn't realize it then, but we thank you now after
Yeah.
decades.
Mm-hmm.
And also to the young generation, if you're listening and you're a student, just continue on with living your life and like
Yeah.
enjoy these things. You'd see the fruits of the discipline, the joy, or the
Mm-hmm.
asking for forgiveness when you make a mistake, and receiving the grace of your teachers. It's gonna reflect in your lives after a while. But yeah, really, thank you so much. This is such a really good discussion. It was
Yeah.
nice to reminisce the past and see how it's being pushed
And
forward.
To
And
extend gratitude to the people who
Yeah.
shaped
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Who showed up? Who,
we,
who were
we-
our village for a while?
Yes.
yeah, we may have not thanked
Villagers.
you then, or our thank yous then were very shallow.
Yeah.
But now
we get it now.
we get it now. Thank you, especially to the ones that you already went before us. Thank you for continuously guiding us.
Yeah.
And we live on with your legacy because of the stuff that you taught us are still in our hearts that we get to pass on to the next generation. So thank you guys. Kayo din, Donuts, if you have some stories or some lessons from high school or from grade school, let us know. We could learn a thing or two from each other, and or funny stories as well. Yung mga stuff na you didn't understand then but understand now. It'd be
Yeah.
nice to share these stories. And
Oh, we can share them now in the broadcast.
Join the broadcast.
Oh, yeah.
channel.
And you can reply
ano name?
Yeah.
donuts.
Donuts.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks everyone. See you in the next episode.